So how do you cool your home without an AC? Air conditioning systems have typically been the most common way to cool a home. However, they are also the most expensive appliance in your home to run. Air conditioning works by pulling the air that is inside your home through a condenser to cool the air down and pushes it out the AC vents in your home. This is a closed loop system that is just recycling the existing air in your home. A closed loop system takes longer to cool your home because it is trying to bring down the temperature of the already warm air instead of exhausting it and replacing it. Air conditioners don't actively exhaust and ventilate your home. One of the most effective ways to cool your home is to lower the thermal mass temperature through ventilation. Many homes hold heat in the walls, furniture, attic, and more. And all this mass continually warms the home and often fights against the internal temperature of the home. Ventilating the home and attic are key to cooling without an air conditioner. Think about it this way. When you get in your car on a hot day, the first thing you do is roll down your windows and drive in order to exhaust all that stale hot air out before you turn on your air conditioner. The same is true for your home, and hot air must be exhausted before you can begin to cool it. A whole house fan can effectively and efficiently ventilate both your home and attic. Our QuietCool whole house fans provide a complete air exchange every 3 to 4 minutes. When used in tandem with a dedicated attic fan, you can keep your home cool regardless of the time of day.